Yo, Zeke.
Yo.
A nigga finally caught Prince K, man.
What?
Yes, like what, 4 or 5 months in the making? Want milk on that nigga?
God. Yo, Zeke, take this blick. Shoot that fuck nigga right in his shit. She off the Migos, she tryna get lit like. Off the Migos, she tryna suck dick like damn. Stop running and ducking. He a bitch, he was dog with stuffing. Niggas is pussy like why they keep bluffing. I hit it once and she won't stop coming. This K, she want me to beat it. This K, how my clip on the feed it. I got a blick, it keep niggas bleeding. Off the wall, that shit got him leaning. Please don't rock, got a beam on the shit. Big clip make you lean with it. And body is dimmy, he feeling the click. Don't lie, don't run, don't trip like. Got his bitch shaking, that shit is song. Up the top, I bet he perform. So she feeding, she said she want more. She want me to bow at the store like damn.
Yo, this nigga really caught Prince K, bro. I've been trying to get him forever. But anyways.
Look, I was going crazy, I was pondering shit. But bro, she get money, she can handle my dick. Hey yo, that nigga snitch. The way on the racks, I'm not big or rich. Yeah, we always smoking the ops. How we take the way, run for the cops, put 2 in his back and watch that bitch drop. Me and mom, we run away to the top like, yeah, we going, we chase our scores. I already came, but she wanted more. This bitch was like, I want a new board. So that bitch nigga go do his chores. Like, I came for shit, no, this is not clean. Just ain't black like Alpha King. The trees talking about she wanted a ring. Like, whoa, we're not even a thing.
Part 2, you ran in a flash. That fuck nigga knew I was on his ass. Mari and me, yo, we getting that cash. He tripped and he fell like the boy with a rash. Young niggas be jumping like frogs. Running like a hoe, I like dog. You fucking with us, shit can really get sticky. Keep the beating on my head like tricky.
Like damn, don't play with his aim. My shoulder got limitless range. One shot, we take out your brain. Please don't like, we taking your chains. He got the Lilo and I got the Stitch. Stop frontin', we know you a bitch. We stay loaded with hammers and sticks. Cause these niggas flying like a bitch. Damn, and that shit was nothing. She ain't free, put the dick in her stomach. Big Chop had them fuck niggas running. Please don't like, we gon' leave you with nothing. Bitch,
45 get a on the hoe. 100 points, so you know it was fake. Was talking that shit, you know we got dealt. I left him beating out. Oh well.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all should really go follow my IG at vm._.nano. And follow my dog Mari at Mari_. Alright? Go blow us up. Alright, let's get back into this shit.
Yo, these niggas bitches, they sound like some muffins. SOS said we said nothing or something. Niggas out of Texas all rep shit bluff. Shorty so cute, you know I was cuffing. I'm still raw at the end of the day. You a little bitch, that's what I don't say. Niggas on dick, and no, I'm not gay. Got his address, now I know where he stays. They call me NaNo and know you can't see me. All these fuck niggas, they just wanna do me. I saw this bitch, so you know it was heated.
I'm a demon little nigga, a savage. SOS, we let niggas have it. You fucking down, you get killed like some cabbage. Like, don't try to run, we gon' catch you in traffic, damn. While I'm playing the P4, she gon' suck that shit up. She gon' deep throat. This is how I aim. You know I'ma hit those. Listen to rain. You know that we need those, bitch.
Bro, this lame ass guard keep catching me, bro. Shit, that's on the better player.